This is a demo of the Negotiauction software. Negotiauction is a B2B solution for purchasing. It combines aspects of auctions together with negotiations. In this particular demo, what I've done is set up a auction, a reverse auction for chemical protection suits. You can see that we've got a quantity demanded of 1,000 units. I'm the auction owner here in the screen. We're purchasing 1,000 units. The lot size is 10 and the bid decrement is 10. Let's take a look at some of the operations here. First, you'll notice that Negotiauction is a multi-attribute auction, also known as a multiple issue auction. We have 3 issues in this particular auction besides price and quantity. We have delivery time, which is a numeric in days. It's a negotiable bid issue, so the bidder puts in the value of the delivery time. We have location, which is domestic, international, state, or county, and we have warranty in years, which is also a negotiable bid issue. Location is a bidder attribute because that's about the bidder. What we can do with these is price it out by putting in and specifying the discounts or bonuses for delivery time. So say, for example, the supplier can get the chemical protection suits to us within 6 days, we'd be willing to pay them $30 more per unit. But if it takes them 21 days or more, they get no bonus in the price. The next thing to notice about this auction software is that you have an ability to put in many different types of constraints. You can put in many different types of attributes as well, but say, for example, a constraint on bidder 1 would be that the bid's requested quantity should be less than 500. For enter 2, it's less than 300. Delivery time is less than 35. Warranty has to be greater than or equal to 1. Warranty has to be less than 15. So there's very many different types of constraints that you can put in that are underlined. We can also rate the bidders, in this case the suppliers. I've got 3 suppliers: national, international 1, international 2, and the system is ranked in 1, 2, 2 in a tie. But I've gone ahead and put in the bidder penalties manually. I'm penalizing the national supplier by $45 per unit, and I'm penalizing inter 1 by $75 and inter 2 by $80 per unit. This is a way for us to discriminate amongst the bidders on price. So the price that national gets back from the system is going to be $35 better, or higher in this case, than the price that inter 2 is going to get. Okay, so the bidder penalties in a reverse auction are subtracted from the price. So in other words, inter 2 is going to be penalized more than national. And they're not going to know that they're being penalized. The price discrimination is transparent. Okay, next we can see the bidders. We've got inter 1, inter 2, and national. I've got inter 1 and national in what's known as auto mode. The auto mode is the auction mode. Now remember, I said that Negotiauction combines aspects of negotiations and auctions. So inter 2 I've got in manual mode. Manual mode means that I've just got a negotiation one-on-one going between myself and with inter 2. And we'll see that when we get to the bidding. So in essence, what you have is you've got an auction going on at the same time that you've got a negotiation going on in a separate room. Okay, so as you can see then, I've got existing 2 bids already, but let's go out and place a couple more bids. Okay, let's get national in there. Okay, let's place a new bid. Remember that national is in auto mode, and let's go ahead and put in a quantity of 1,000, and we'll take the defaults: 5 days delivery time, 10 years warranty. Maybe 1,000 is too much. let's start with 700. And we'll request price. Price comes back at $9.90, which is a pretty good price. But perhaps the 10-year warranty is too much. So let's view the discounts or bonuses on the warranty. And we can see here that with a warranty of 10 years, we're getting a $15 bonus added. Well, let's try to put in no warranty and see what happens. Okay, bids having warranty less than 1 are not acceptable. So let's put in 1. That was the constraint that we had set up, by the way. So we'll put in 1, we'll request a price, and I believe it'll be about $15 less. Right, went from $9.90 down to $9.75. So the nice thing about this system is that the bidder can select the negotiable bid issues as they see fit by looking at the discounts and the bonuses. Maybe 5 days delivery time is impossible, so if I look at the delivery time and I can say, well, I can get it there within 11 days. I know I'm going to take a little hit, but let's try 12 and see what happens. The price is going to drop a little bit to $9.55. But let's say that's an acceptable bid. We'll say OK, and the bid becomes active in the auction event. Next, let's take a look at the viewpoint for the manual mode bidder. Now, the manual mode bidder, remember, was enter 2. Okay, we'll make a new bid. Now, there has been a negotiation going on. Let's see. Let's put in a quantity of say 300 and a price of say 1,000. Let's say this is a good offer. That's going out to the auction owner. Okay, that's the bidder's offer. Now let's see how it looks from the auction owner's perspective. Get into the auction. Let's take a look at the bids that we have existing. Okay. Here's the bidder's offer. Notice that we have one active bid and one semi-active bid. It means semi-active is just partial quantity. Okay, let's go back in and make a counter offer. Let's say a counter offer of 600 and say okay, this is a good price. That's the counter offer. Now with Negotiauction, we would go back and forth like this until we converge and agree on a price, quantity, and other terms. If I need to have a better warranty, I could push them on warranty as well. So that is how it works, combining negotiations and auctions into a single event. That concludes our demo.